If you just found out your rubber roof got punctured by a branch after 7 years and got hit with a $3,600 quote to fix a 10 by 10 foot section, including replacing soft plywood, you're probably wondering if that's normal or if you should even bother with insurance. So here's the deal. Rubber roofs are usually designed to last like 25 years under normal wear and tear, but that doesn't mean they're invincible. A branch hitting your roof is definitely an unforeseen issue, kind of like hail hitting shingles or a crazy storm tossing debris around. The damage from that branch isn't typical aging, it's more like an accident. That $3,600 price includes around $800 just for the cement work around the roof, which might seem steep, but it's part of making sure the patch is solid and won't leak later. If you've got a $1,000 deductible, claiming insurance might not be your best bet because your premiums could spike next year to cover the claim cost plus more. Honestly, if you can swing paying out of pocket, that's usually smoother in the long run. Also, keep an eye on the contractor's reputation and ask for a detailed breakdown of costs so you know what you're paying for. It might help you negotiate or find a better deal. And don't forget to check if your roof warranty covers accidental damage or just wear and tear. That makes a big difference. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with rubber roof damage is rushing to file an insurance claim without weighing the cost-benefit, which often leads to higher premiums and stress. Another common issue is not getting multiple repair quotes or not asking enough questions about what the repairs actually include, like replacement materials and labor. This can leave you paying more than necessary. Lastly, many folks underestimate how critical it is to address soft plywood promptly, because ignoring it can lead to bigger leaks and structural problems down the line. To keep things chill, call around for at least 2 or 3 estimates before making a decision, get everything in writing, and try to understand what your policy actually covers before calling your insurer. BigHomeProjects.com is pretty handy because it hooks up homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't rip you off on repairs like this. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work, it's a solid platform to connect with real clients who need projects done right, win-win all around.